Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about the new parasites that comes under the nematode. So that is the Enterobius vermicularis. So mainly the disease caused by the Enterobius vermicularis is intense anal pruritus. So there is extreme itching in the perianal region if there is infection of the Enterobius vermicularis. So how do we diagnose this Enterobius vermicularis infection? So we diagnose by directly seeing the egg via the tape test. So what happens is that I will talk about the test tape test in a minute. What happens is that the female adult worms comes outside the anal region and they lay eggs around the perianal region. So if we use a special kind of test tip in the anal region, and whenever the female worms come outside the anal area and they lay, and in that tip the egg is attached, and after the saline weight mount, if we directly visualize that saline weight mount, then we will directly see the egg of the Enterobius vermicularis. So how the transmission of this Enterobius vermicularis is occur? The transmission is fecal-oral, and the treatment of this parasitic infection is benzoazoles and parenteral palmate. So bendazoles and parenteral palmate are the two drugs that is used for the Enterobius vermicularis. Now let us discuss about the life cycle of this Enterobius vermicularis. What happens is that there is the adult worms in the large intestine. Both male and female adult worm are present. So after the fertilization, the male worms dies and the female worm migrate out of the anus and they lay in the perianal region at the night. So during this laying of egg, if we use the tape test, then in that tape the egg is attached, so we can directly visualize in the saline weight mount. So the egg liberates, the adult worm liberates the egg containing the embryo, and there is itching in the perianal region, and the eggs are attached in the nails of the person. So what happens is that the person scratch around the perianal region, and there could be the injection by the auto inoculation in the same host, and the egg goes in the small intestine, or the egg may find a new host. So the egg is from the egg the larvae are liberated, and the larvae are morphed into the adult worms, and the adult worms again goes into the large intestine, and again the life cycle of the Enterobius vermicularis get continued. So for this, mainly the transmission occurs through the fecal-oral transmission. So the health hygiene, so always there should be the washing of hands through the soap and water, and the nails should be trimmed, and if there is itching around the perianal region, then we should go to the doctor immediately and find out if there is infection of the Enterobius vermicularis or not, and we should use the bendazoles and the parenteral palmate to eradicate the infection. So I hope you understood this topic on Enterobius vermicularis. Thank you.